Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are talking an in-depth look at the Vivo V50, one of the most exciting mid-range smartphone of the year. With the premium design, stunning cameras and a massive battery, this phone promises a lot, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. So the first thing you will notice about the Vivo V50 is its elegant and premium design. The variant we have is the grey color and its look absolutely gorgeous in person. Well, it's not the lightest phone in its class, but the slight heft make it feel more premium and sturdy. The curved edges blend seamless into the frame, ensuring a comfortable grip even during long hours of usage. So the design part will definitely catch your eyes. I mean, if you look at the phone, it looks quite stunning. Well, what about the build quality and durability? The Vivo V50 isn't just about look, it's built to last. With an IP68 and 69 rating, this phone can handle dust, water splashes and even underwater photography. The front is protected by high-strength glass and Vivo has pre-applied a screen protector for extra safety. The premium glass back panel enhances the flagship feel, while the sturdy frame helps protect, and I am quite assured about the durability. You can use it for the long run. Now coming to one of the biggest highlight of the Vivo V50, its stunning display. Vivo has packed in a 6.77-inch quad curved AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. What does this mean for you? Super smooth scrolling, vibrant colors and deep blacks. The peak brightness goes up to 4500 nits, so you will have no issues viewing content outdoors even in direct sunlight. The bezels are ultra thin, giving you an immersive edge-to-edge viewing experience. Whether you are watching movies, scrolling social media or gaming, this display will not disappoint. Well, let's now talk upon the most talkative part of this phone, the camera segment. Vivo has always been known for the top-tier smartphone photography, and the Vivo V50 takes things even further. The phone features a 50-megapixel main sensor that utilizes in-sensor crop technology to provide a lossless 2x zoom, essentially acting like a 50mm portrait lens. Alongside this, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 50-megapixel selfie camera, with all three supporting 4K video recording. But the real game changer is Indian wedding mode. This feature is specially designed to capture vibrant wedding moments, making your wedding photos look like they were shot on a professional DSLR. The portrait photography on the Vivo V50 is one of the best in its segment, thanks to Zeiss optics and AI-powered enhancements. If photography is your priority, this phone is a beast. Although coming to the videography part, this phone supports 4K and the quality of the 4K footages are quite impressive. Either you're recording with selfie camera or you're recording with a back camera, you are going to be impressed. Now when it comes to the performance and software part, under the hood, Vivo V50 is powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 with 8GB or 12GB RAM option and 128 plus 256GB of internal storage. Now while this isn't the most powerful chipset out there, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks like social media, game, if you want to do photography or if you want to do heavy tasks, you can do it easily. Although phone runs with the Fun Touch OS 15 based on Android 15, and Vivo has promised 3 years of major OS update and 4 years of security patches, making it a great choice for long-term users. The UI is a feature pack, but it does come with some pre-installed apps which you can remove if needed. Although I'm not a big fan of Fun Touch OS, but still the performance is quite good due to the Snapdragon processor. Now coming to the most essential part, that is the battery life, and that has gone a leap ahead. Because on the Vivo V50, the phone is packed with a 6000 mAh battery, which can easily last a day and a half, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to charge it, the 90-watt fast charging ensures you to go from 0 to 100% under an hour. And the good part is that you get the charger in the box. Now whether you are a power user or just someone who hates carrying a charger, this battery performance is truly immersive. Now the time is for the conclusion. Should you buy the Vivo V50? So let's have a recap. Stunning design, premium build, IP68 69 water and dust resistance, gorgeous 6.77-inch quad curved AMOLED display, exceptional 50-megapixel camera system with Zeiss optics, and the wedding photography thing is super crazy. Massive 6000 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging. Coming to the cons, performance isn't the strongest in the price range. Some pre-installed apps in the UI can make your phone slow. But now when we look at the pricing, the starting price of the Vivo V50 is 35,000. The base variant is around 35,000, and as you go for more RAM and more storage, the price goes to 40,000 as well. So as my opinion, hands down to one of the best portrait photography smartphones available in the market. If camera design and battery life are your top priorities, this phone is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a pure gaming phone, you might want to consider some other option. So that's it for the today's review. If you want to check out this phone, the links are given in the description. Any question, any doubts, you can comment me down below. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe us for more in-depth tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.